Yo, what's going on YouTube? Technically T bringing you another video today, and you already know what type of time we own. We gotta get into the unboxing and initial impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Now, real quick, I'm gonna be real with y'all. I gotta keep it a buck. I changed my pre-order with Samsung legit about 3 times. The first time I ordered, I got the Cosmic Gray 128. Then I was like, you know what? I kind of want to go big boy, so I canceled that. Then I ordered the Cosmic Black 512, and then I really came to my senses and was like, what do I need a 512 gigabyte device for? Cancel that one, then ended up landing on the Cosmic Black 128. So here it is. So let's go ahead and get into it. And of course, you know, always got to go to the unlocked life. Now, before we get started, I have to bring the unboxing knife. You always know I always say a shout out, man. Some company got to look out for your boy and bring me an unboxing knife. But nobody really wanted to bless me, man. So I had to go to Home Depot and pick up this little husky. But anyways, man, let's go ahead and get into the box. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So setting that to the side, and boom, we are greeted with that beautiful 6.9-inch display. I already know it is going to be one of the best ones on the market. Now, a lot of people always saying, oh, black phones are boring, or whatever you may call it. I don't care what you're talking about. I really haven't had like a jet black device in a very long time, so that's why I decided to go with Cosmic Black, because I wanted to kind of switch it up. I wanted to switch it up from the white and the space grays and all the type. I wanted to go jet black, so that's what I did. Of course, it does hide that camera notch, but you know, it's not really the most pretty thing, so I really don't mind them actually hiding that. But let's go ahead and set this to the side. Let's go ahead and check to see what else we get in here, and you just get a little Samsung cardboard there. You get your charger that I'm pretty sure I will not use, because I wireless charge every night. I don't even plug in no more, man. I just simply wireless charge. But this is a super good one, man. Definitely, I think this is the 25 watt. They got that 45 watt one out there, man, but I'm kind of hearing that it's not really worth the actual money that you're paying for. And of course, you get the AKG headphones, and you already know these are going to be your type. Well, this is the actual USB cord. So you get that USB cord. We're going to leave that all fresh in the box. We're not going to worry about it. And here are your AKG headphones, Type C. Rest in peace, headphone jack. It ain't coming back, man. So you guys just got to get over it. Y'all got to get over it, man. The headphone jack is not coming back. We got to move on with technology. But let me go ahead and bring the star of the show in. And here is the S20 Ultra. Now, I know there's a huge controversy about this device right now. A lot of people are complaining, oh, it's so expensive. It's $1,500. Look, who cares? If you went out there and spent $1,400, $1,500 or whatever it is, that's your fault. A lot of us got crazy deals on it. I spent $800 on this, but that's because I am trading in my Note 10 Plus. But even if you had older models, you can find ways to knock down the price. So I don't care, man. Stop being a killjoy for other people. Let us enjoy tech. And that's what we're getting with this S20 Ultra. Loads of tech when it comes to this product. Now, of course, it does have the plastic on the back, so we'll go ahead and peel that off. I like even saving the plastic when it comes down to selling my devices after a while. But yeah, here it is, Cosmic Black. Now, I'm not really going to go over all the specs. You know about the specs, man. Snapdragon 865, 6.9-inch Quad HD display. You got your 120 hertz on Full HD. Looking on the back, you already know, man, we got that 100 times zoom, the space zoom. Once again, tons of controversy surrounding that, talking about the zoom looks like an oil painting. Look, we should be happy that technology is evolving to the point where we can actually. I don't need help. Yeah. You should be happy that technology is actually evolving to where we can actually have 100 times zoom on our camera. So just let it live, man. I'm pretty sure it will improve over time, but let's just enjoy technology for what it is and be thankful that we can actually put this in a smartphone. And of course, you have that 108 megapixels with the 12 megapixel with pixel bending and everything like that. Flipping it over on the front, you got that 40 megapixels. It was 40 megapixel front facing camera and 8K recording. You know, of course, the camera has a bunch of controversy right now because there needs to be a software update, but everybody calm down. What device is perfect out the box? No matter what you pay, something's going to need updates. So she still wants me to all right. She's still damn trolling me, but yo, but yeah, so that's what it is, man. So I just kind of want to give you an unboxing of it. I'm actually going to take it off, of course, set it up. You guys know how I do, man. I like to just take it out the box, show you guys real quick. But before we leave up out of here, let me go ahead and show you some size comparisons because everybody acting like this device was so huge. Oh, when you get it, it's going to be too big for your hands. It's unwieldy, blah, 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 blah. looking at these two, and this of course is the Note 10 Plus, and I gotta rub this the right way, man, because I'm about to actually take this back up and send it back to Samsung. Love this device. It's kind of, I really don't want to get rid of it, man, but that's just the game. We got to move on to what's being talked about, and right now the S20 Ultra is hot. But looking at the size between these two, it's not a huge dramatic difference, as you can see right here. And I was able to hold the Note 10 Plus just fine. And holding this right here, yes, it's a little tall because the Note is going to be a little bit more squared off. But overall, it is not a huge design, man. And you can kind of see that right there. Of course, that camera bump everybody talks about is huge. It is what it is. Everybody's going to throw a case on it anyway, so I don't understand why everybody's complaining about it. And on the bottom, I mean, here it is, just showing you the standard weights. Of course, the Note 10 Plus is very light. S20 Ultra does have a little bit of weight. And let's just go ahead and bring one of the little brothers in here. This is going to be the A71, and this is as a 6.7 screen, if I'm not mistaken, 6.8 or 6.7. Can't remember right off my hand, but this is it on the actual A71. Look at that camera hole, and it's actually smaller still, I think, on the S20 Ultra over the A71. So they did a really good job making this camera, this lens super small. And just for S's and giggles, man, let's just go ahead and bring in the ding. Let's go ahead and bring the iPhone 11 Pro in here. 5.8 compared to a 6.9, not even a contest. But what is a contest between these two is going to be these cameras, man. I definitely want to compare these two cameras because right now I feel like the 11 Pro series probably has one of the best cameras out there on the market. Of course, everybody has their own opinion. That's mine, but we're going to test them out because these bad boys here could be some of the best cameras in the actual market. But yeah, man, I just want to go ahead and run through this quick unboxing of the S20 Ultra, and just stay tuned to the channel because you already know we went and got the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Got that as well. We'll do a separate unboxing for that. And we also have the Galaxy Watch Midnight Black stainless steel 42mm Galaxy Watch there. So of course you're going to see videos about these, how to pair them, all of that coming up on the channel, man. So definitely stay tuned. You already know we got tons and tons of cases. I literally got a box over here of cases that I'm probably going to sit down, bang out some case reviews. So you already know, come back to the channel if you want to know about that hot protection you can get for your S20 Ultra, man. But technically, I'm about to get up out of here. Let me know if you guys have already received your S20. What did you get? S20, S20 Plus, or you went ahead and got the big boy, the S20 Ultra? Let me know down in the comment section below. But until next time, smash that like. You already know, hit that sub button if you rock with your boy. And I will catch y'all on the next one. Later.